In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to N8N, a powerful automation tool that can help streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the N8N website. Once you're there, click on the Login option and get yourself logged in. I'll be assuming that you already have an account and are logged in. If not, take a moment to complete these preliminary steps before continuing with the tutorial. Now, before we move any further, it's crucial to ensure you have both your client ID and client secret handy. These are essential credentials you'll need from your Google Cloud Console to make this connection possible. If you're unsure about where to find these, you can find them by navigating to your Google Cloud Console and following the guidelines provided in their documentation. Having these credentials ready, we can now proceed to set up the connection in N8N. Start by clicking on the Create Workflow button. This will open up the workflow editor where you will be designing your automation process. Once inside the editor, you're going to see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will allow you to add a new node to the workflow, a fundamental step in building your automation. Next, use the search bar that pops up to search for Google Drive. Type in the name and a list of available Google Drive functionalities will appear. From this list, select the Google Drive option. This will add a Google Drive node to your workflow. Following that, you'll be asked to choose a trigger within the Google Drive node. This trigger will determine what specific Google Drive activity will initiate this workflow. Choose the appropriate trigger for your needs. This could be anything from file uploads to document changes. With the node and trigger selected, the next step is to connect your Google Drive to N8N. On the node configuration panel, look for the Select Credential dropdown. Click on it and you'll see the option to create a new credential. Select that option. Here's where your client ID and client secret come into play. You'll need to paste both of them into the corresponding fields. This step is vital as it authenticates your access to your Google Drive account and establishes a secure connection between Google Drive and N8N. Once you've filled those fields, click on the Save button to finalize the connection. At this point, everything should be set up correctly for your Google Drive to be integrated with your workflow in N8N. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Google Drive to N8N. You can now take advantage of this powerful combination to automate and optimize your tasks, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.